Welcome back to the Yes Wisdom. The Wuhan Coronavirus, named after the city it was first detected in, has affected thousands of people in China and is spreading across Asia and the United States. According to the World Health Organization, coronavirus belongs to the virus family that causes diseases like the common cold. The virus spreads through coughing, sneezing, and direct contact with infected people. There are no vaccines or cures for the Wuhan coronavirus, as this strain has never been seen before. Scientists around the world are working together to develop a vaccine. The CDC lists some of the common symptoms of Wuhan coronavirus. The virus seems to start with a fever, followed by a dry cough, and then after a week leads to shortness of breath. Listing the coronavirus symptoms: sneezing, headache, cough, breathing difficulties, fever. But in more severe cases, infection can cause kidney failure and even death. Most of the victims have been elderly people suffering from other chronic diseases, including diabetes. Do the following to reduce the risk of catching coronavirus infection. The World Health Organization is advising people in affected areas to follow standard procedures to reduce the chance of catching the virus. They include hand and respiratory hygiene as well as safe food practices. People are advised to avoid close contact with people suffering from acute respiratory infections. Wash hands regularly, especially after direct contact with ill people or their environment, and avoid unprotected contact with farm or wild animals. Those with symptoms of coronavirus should practice cough etiquette, including maintaining distance, covering cough and sneezes with disposable tissues or inside of an elbow. To be more specific, do the following precautions to reduce the risk of coronavirus infection. Clean hands with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Cover nose and mouth with tissues or inside of elbow when coughing or sneezing. Avoid close contact with anyone with cold or flu-like symptoms. Thoroughly cook meat and eggs. Avoid eating raw or undercooked animal products. Avoid unprotected contact with live wild or farm animals. Seek early medical help if you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing. If you feel unwell and you see the following symptoms, please contact your emergency departments or the healthcare immediately. It is especially dangerous for those with weakened immune system, like children and the elderly. Take care of yourself, your kids, and your elderly. Stay safe and healthy, and don't forget to stay hygiene. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks. At least it's better than nothing. The Yes Wisdom. Talk to you in next one.